Trusting your measurement equipment can be challenging. Procedures must be followed to ensure the accuracy and compliance of your instrument, and regular inspections are important for long-lasting performance. And after a breakdown, you need to have your instrument back up and running as quickly as possible, because all you really want to do is work on your daily goals and gain the expertise to achieve those goals. At METTLER Toledo, we have global teams that will support you through all of this. We provide service and care for your measurement equipment throughout its entire life cycle, as well as provide specialised training courses. Let us take care of your instrument so that you can focus on your daily goals.